Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. Today, I'll show you how to find and use a summer activity calendar template in Excel 365. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial as a PDF by following the link in the video description below. To start, click on File. On the left side of the screen, click on New. Click in the search box and type in the kind of template you're looking for, such as Summer Activity Calendar. With your search term typed in, press Enter, or click the search icon. Excel will show you the Summer Activity Calendar template. Let's click on it. A window opens, telling you about the template. When you're ready, click Create. In just a few seconds, Excel creates your brand new Summer Activity Calendar template, ready to use. Use the spin buttons next to the year to instantly update the entire calendar to whichever year you need. Click into any date and type in a note, like this sample activity, to keep track of your plans for the day. The calendar continues on through August, so you can plan out activities for the entire summer in one place. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.